Jersey number 6 for 3. No good. Rebound. Jersey number 31. No good. To number 3. Pass to jersey 16. Jersey number 3. Good defense by jersey number 3. Number 5 to number 3. Using the board. No good. Jersey number 6 pass. It is a foul. Who's fouled up? Jersey number 23. Number 12. Jersey number 12. Celestine.
Number 15, that's not yours. Third personal foul.
15 to shoot. 3 points. 3 points.
First throw by the
Jersey number 33, pull-up jumper. Inside, no good. Rebound, jersey number 21.
Second throw, not good. 50 seconds. Balik pa. 19.
Out of bounds.
30 seconds.
Score 3-8. Timeout team Ultra. Here comes the main man. Mr. Guru. Jersey number 23. Good. Jersey number 31. Forjal to Michael. Passes to Roderick. It's okay. We will adjust the board. Jersey number 7. Guru pass to jersey number 23. Extra pass to jersey number 12. Fake to jersey number 23. No good. Rebound, jersey number 3. To score up, same ball. 14 shot clock. Score, save, 8-3. Guru, first shot. Pass to jersey number 23. Yes, sir. 2 points. Jersey number 23. Score 5-8. Roderick to jersey number 3. To Michael. To number 15. Short. Rebound by jersey number 10 seconds to shoot. Michael. For 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 12. Guru is there. For the pass fake. Guru. Stop. Pass to number 23. Steal. By jersey number. Forjal. For 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6. John. And number 3. 14 shot clock. Short. Rebound by jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Short.
Layo.
Jersey number 3. Can't catch the ball. Timeout. Jersey number 6. To number 3. Michael. 12 to shoot. Forjal, no good. Rebound. The power move by jersey number 15. Tomas. Oroseo to jersey number 23. Fakes. To Celestine. 3. No good. Rebound by Roderick. Roderick to jersey number 6. To Tomas. Michael, that's a pass to jersey number 6. 10 to shoot. Michael, for 3. Short, rebound by jersey number 23. To jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 to Guru. Rebound by jersey number 3. For 3. No good. Total, no good. Rebound, Celestine is there. No good. Put that. 2 points. Guru. Score 7-10.
Next one.
2 minutes and 5 seconds, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Short. Cordial. Jersey number 3. Michael, 16 at the center. Fakes, no good. Rebound by just Laro. Stay by Cordial. 14. Celestine to Zion, sa gilid. Number 3, no good. Number 23, Zion for 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 20, Rivera to jersey number 3, Michael, jumper, no good. Rebound to jersey number 20, Rivera, no good. It's a foul. No more time left to your benches, guys. Time out, team Unsa Beauty.
Hoy, walang tao. Ano ba yan? Hoy.
Number 6, steal the ball to jersey number 16. Back to jersey number 6, John. Pass to Thomas. 14 shot back.
Pitan ang bola.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Short. Iba by Zion. Serves up.
Huwag masyado.
Villegas.
Higpitan ang bola, guys. Oy. Foul. Blocking.
Sablep. Out, jersey number 5, in, jersey number 3. Villegas out, in, jersey number 3. Oroseo to Zion. Stepping on the line. 47 seconds, 18 to shoot. Michael to number 16. Black by just number 28. Black again, but it's a foul. Jersey number 28. 2 shots. Last row. Short.
Hoy, walang tao.
Again, fakes.
Walang tao kasi.
Laro. To number 7. To number 23. To Laro. 14 shot left.
Ay, ano ba yun?
3 seconds violation. Timeout. Team. Put. Tomas. To Cordial taking 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 28. To jersey number 1. To jersey number 28. Jersey number 28. Lorenzo. To Ururu for 3. No good. Rebound by Zion. Zion to jersey number 1. For 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 3. Oroseo. No good again. Who's for them?
Kaya pa yan.
15 to shoot.
Ang tao.
It's number 16. No good. Rebound by Zion. Ururu is there. Ururu all alone. 2 points. Timeout. To jersey number 6. John to Michael. 12 to shoot. No good. Rebound. Tap.
Tao.
16. 14 again. Number 6. 8 to shoot. Steal by jersey number 3. Ruru. Almost goes the ball. Ruru to Zion. 12 to shoot. Lorenzo. On the line, 2 points. 53 seconds. 34-38. John.
Uy, walang tao.
To Cordial. 15 to shoot. Wow. Michael. To Cordial. Foul. Penalty. Jersey number 12.
Box out ha!
Jersey number 12.
Rebound. Jump shooter.
Again, again. Too strong.
Dali, tao.
Good.
Good.
Thomas.
Wala. Dali.
Back to
Takbo.
Zion. Zion 3-2. Zion. To Ruru. Ruru for 3. No good. Rebound.
Lalaban.
Ruru again.
Oh.
That is a foul.
Penalty!
Penalty, penalty.
Penalty. Penalty, penalty. Penalty.
Dalawa yan ha!
2 shots. Jersey number 7. 27 seconds. One point. By Mr. Ruru.
Kabila!
Uy.
No good.
Brad,
Tap.
dali.
Goes to Ruru again. Ruru.
Uy, walang
The
tao.
ball.
Foul!
John.
Foul na!
Tao eh.
Foul. Foul. Jersey number 7. Yeah. No good.
Box out ha! Box out!
3-point lead by Foot Locker. Short again. Ball goes to time out. 14 shot clock. Yeah.
Dapat dito sa gitna! Kita mo Carl!
Zion. 10 to shoot. Black. Ruru is there. Celestine. For 3. No good. Rebound. Jump ball. Push ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds left. Is seen by Thomas. Thomas to jersey number 16. Nice pass to John. John. Alright, and after.
Just click the button. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. Subscribe.
Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and likes and watch our another videos. So, stay tuned. Follow us guys. See ya next time. God
Bye.
bless. Bye.